Hi, I will show you how to create a slide zipper effect on After Effects. It's very easy. Let's say you have this text and search for CC split. For the split, it's for how big the gap open between the cut. There's the anchor point here. It's like the edge of a zipper. Feel free to play around whatever you want here. And I will make some kind of zipper effect here. Okay, I think this is already good. This is the final result. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comment below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!